Slo-Mo. So we're going to take it a little bit slower today. Going slower is not a bad thing. You can really feel your muscles engage and have a chance to concentrate a little bit more on the movements when we take it down a couple notches. So grab onto a glider. If you don't have one, towel is fine. Paper plate on carpet works great. So grab onto a ball and a set of weights. My weights are 3 pounds, and grab onto your chair. So chair, start out on the right side of your mat. Glider comes underneath of your outside leg, so your left leg. Ball of your foot and your toes press in. So we're going to come down into second position plie. So really press your toes down to help anchor you down. If the glider gets to be too much, just take it off to the side. You can do it without. Okay, so we start out in a second position. Down, up, down, squeeze. 4, lift, 3. One more time, and then sink it back down low. Hold it here, little lift. So your tailbone is right underneath of you as you lift up, down, lift. So keep it small. 3, 2, last one, sink it back down. We're gonna do knee press backs here, push, push. So you're pushing your inner thighs back, keep your hips still. 3, 2, last one. Hold it here with your thighs open. So lots of times it's really easy for the knees to kind of buckle in. So you really have to kind of consciously think to push your inner thighs back. So now we're going to take that outside leg, slide it over. Inside leg stays bent, plie. So this is a little lift up and then down. Keep that inside leg bent. So this is kind of deceptive here. Work is actually on the inside leg. Down, bring it in. Down, hold it out here. Press backs, push. 4, 3, 2, last one. Okay, so we're gonna take heels up this time. Bring this leg in, lift both heels up and together. Take it down, up, down, up. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, last one. Now, take it down, press it back, push, push. Lots of work for the thighs, the glutes. 4, 3, 2, last one. Let's combine. So keep your heels flat, slide it over. So my heel's down when I slide, take it back out, plie. Now we're gonna lift the heels up, heels down, heels down, heels up. Slide in and lift, heels come together. And lift. 4 more. 4, lift up. Last 3. And lift. Last one. Okay, we're gonna hold it with the heels up. Take your outside leg off of the glider. Little lifts, lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, last one, good job. And take this leg across, inside leg, for a figure 4. Ooh, and just kind of guide your knee down to get a really good stretch there. Sit your booty back, flex your foot. Okay, let's switch to the other side. Let me tell you what, going slow is no joke, right? Okay, so glider comes underneath of your right leg this time. Second position plies, so heels and toes turned out. Anchor the ball of your foot and your toes down. Let's take it down and plie. Down, up, down, squeeze. 4, 3, 2. Now, sink it back down low. Remember those little half lifts. Lift, little down, up, down. You got it. 4, 3, 2. Last one, sink it back down. Push the knees back, back, squeeze. 4, 3, 2, last one. Okay, slide this heel in, take it out, plie. Slide, plie. So you kind of have to get your body back centered here so that you can drop your bottom down, down. Slide it over. 2 more. 2, drop it down. Last one, now hold it here. Press it back. Push, push. 4, 3, 2, last one. Okay, heels up. So you're gonna slide it in, lift your heels, lift your body, take it down. Lift and down. This takes a little bit of mind work too. Lift up and down. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, last one. Take it back out, press backs. 4, 3, 2. Okay, let's combine. So heel stays flat, bring it in. Take it back out, plie in center. Lift the heels up. Take it down. Slide. Now lift. Drop it down. Slide it in, out, and lift. Bring it in, lift it up, down, in, out, lift. Bring it in, couple more, hang in. Take it in, lift it up. Lift it up, down. This is the last one. Lift it up. Now hold it here. Lift your leg up off of that glider. Point your toes. Little lifts. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, last one. Good job. Take that inside leg across. Let out a big sigh of relief here. Take a stretch. So press your knee away. All right, so let's come down to the mat. So I have my mat off to the side. We are done with the glider. Move your chair out of the way. Okay, grab onto your mat and let's bring that out. Okay, so grab onto your ball. Ball's gonna come between your ankles. Actually, I'm gonna say a little bit above your ankles so that you can get a good squeeze there and we're not on the ankle joint. Grab onto your weights. Now, if this bothers your knees, you can always place a blanket underneath, or you can do this standing with the ball in the same spot. Okay, squeeze in to the ball. Arms are gonna come by your sides. So keep the squeeze. As soon as you squeeze in, you're gonna feel that activation through your legs and your core. Legs are steady, just squeezing. We take the arms out, the arms out, in, out, in. Keep your tailbone tucked down. 4, in, 3, 2. Hold it here, little lifts, up. Shoulders are down, away from your ears. Are you still squeezing the ball? I know you are. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, bring the elbows back in. Now, as we extend out, we're gonna lean back if you can. If not, you're gonna keep it right where you are. So this is really gonna get those quads. Lean back, bring it in. Lean back, bring it in. So keep that squeeze. It's like you're pushing everything towards your belly button. Sides of your body, your legs are squeezing in. 3, 2. Okay, sink it back. Remember those little lifts. Lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, last one. Now lift back up, arms out to the sides, biceps. Bring it in, push it out. In, push, in. So reactivate your legs if they're not. If you can't feel that squeeze, then squeeze. 4 more. 3, 2, last one. Now bend the elbows, presses up, lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, last one. Good job. Roll it out. Okay, lateral raises. So we're gonna work the shoulders. Okay, let's bring the ball between your thighs. Weights come in front of your thighs, root your tailbone down. So as soon as you draw your tailbone down, you're gonna feel a shift here and your belly's gonna pull in. Squeeze in, lift up and down. Little bend in the elbow. So your knees are anchored down to the floor. 4, 3, 2, hold this one out, little lift, up, up. 4, 3, 2, last one. Good job. Okay, go ahead and release. Left leg comes forward. So we're coming into a low lunge. You're going to take this ball right behind your left knee. Come up onto your toes and squeeze. So you're squeezing the back of your leg, your calf, and your thigh into that ball. Bring the weights to center. Okay, we're going to go open up. So open your arms, bend in. Open and bend. So this is a great practice in that isometric hold with the leg. We're just squeezing there, but we're keeping it as still as we can. 4, 3, 2, last one, little lifts. 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring the weights in. Side lean to your left, little crunch. So we're getting into the abs now. We really haven't activated the abs too much yet. So we're gonna do that now. 4, 3, 2, last one. Now we're gonna open up in a twist. So push your arms out, turn back to center. Push out, bring back in. So you're drawing your right hip over towards the left. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring it in. Take your arms up above. So your elbows come right in front of your shoulders for triceps. We're gonna take it down. Squeeze that ball. Take it down, extend up. Taking it slow again. So you're just hinging at the elbows. From your shoulder to your elbows, you're trying to keep that still. 3, 2, last one. Go ahead and release, and let's switch to the other side. So right leg comes forward. All right, squeeze your toes, squeeze the ball, squeeze everything. Okay, bring your arms to the center. Okay, keep a squeeze on that ball. And we're gonna start with the side lean. Lean, lift. Lean, lift. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, last one. Come up to center. Now we're gonna open out to the side. So I'm kind of working you guys backwards here. So gotta keep you paying attention, right? 4 more. 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring it back to center. Okay, so we're gonna open up through the chest, press the shoulder blades back, bring it in, push open, bring it in. Last 4, 4, 3. Okay, open up, little pushes up, lift, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, last one. Bring the arms in front, tricep, take it down, lift, down, lift. Okay, so hopefully, I'm hoping that you're breaking a sweat. I'm breaking a sweat here, even taking it this slow. Last one, and release it down. Go ahead and sit the weights and the ball off to the side. And let's take a stretch here. So come on up, extend your left leg out to the side. Like you're gonna come into a side lunge here and then draw your toes up. Feel the stretch on the inner thigh. Let's switch other side. Come back to center. Bring your hands down and then walk your hands over to the left. And then over to the right. Come back to center and roll up. Take an inhale, lift, and exhale out. One more time, big inhale here. You guys worked hard today. Exhale out. Great job. I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.